In this service here, we need a sign. It's supposed to everyone just to have an individual sign. Because even the demon will put a sign to people. Be it that you are tired, but God has given you another chance. There's someone there near with you there at Saitoti that is being just carried or being supported. Maybe it's being fed with the means of the spoon. But you have power. You're supposed to serve God when you have the strength. I would like just to talk about someone whom have been troubled. There's someone who has been troubled, but he or she can't understand who is troubling him. And that's the only thing that I would like us just now to speak. In this other world living, there are different kinds of distress. There are people who are distressed in the house.